Have you ever wondered if those online side hustles everyone talks about actually work? I used to think most of them were scams or just not worth the time. So I decided to stop watching and start doing. For 30 days, I tried 5 different online side hustles, and today I'm sharing what really happened, what worked, what didn't, and what I'd never do again. Hey friends, welcome back to Financially Smart Mind. If you've been thinking about starting a side hustle, but don't know where to begin, this video might save you weeks of trial and error. Side hustle number 1, freelancing on Fiverr. I started my 30 days by signing up for Fiverr. I offered basic writing and editing gigs, since those were skills I already had. At first, nothing happened. No orders, no messages. But after tweaking my profile, adding a photo, and lowering my prices, I got my first client on day 7. It was a $10 job. Not much, but it felt like winning the lottery. By the end of 30 days, I completed 4 small jobs and made around $65. Not life-changing, but a real start. Freelancing works, but it's a slow build. Side hustle number 2, print on demand with Redbubble. Next, I tried print on demand using Redbubble. I made 15 simple t-shirt designs using Canva and uploaded them all in one night. The problem? Absolutely 0 sales in the first 2 weeks. But on day 19, I woke up to my first sale, a sticker that earned me $1.35. Then another one a few days later. By day 30, I had made $670 in total. Verdict? Print on demand can work, but it's a long game. Don't expect fast results unless you already know what's trending. Side hustle number 3, starting a faceless YouTube channel. I've always loved YouTube, so I launched a faceless channel using free stock videos and AI voiceover tools. It took me 3 days to make and upload my first video. No subscribers, no views at first. But on day 14, one video started getting traffic. By the end of 30 days, the channel had 18 subscribers and 420 total views. No earnings yet, but seeing growth felt exciting. If you're willing to be patient and keep uploading, YouTube can build into something powerful, but not instantly. Side hustle number 4, affiliate marketing blog. I also tried affiliate marketing by writing product review blogs. I launched a simple WordPress blog and wrote 3 articles linking to Amazon products. I shared them on Reddit and Pinterest. In 30 days, I got 47 visitors, but no sales, 0 commissions. Honestly, affiliate marketing takes longer than 30 days to pay off, unless you already have traffic. But I saw potential if I kept posting over time. Side hustle number 5, selling digital downloads on Etsy. Finally, I opened an Etsy shop to sell digital budget trackers and planners. I created 4 products in Canva, listed them, and promoted them on TikTok. On day 12, I got my first sale, $4.50. Then 2 more sales. By the end of the month, I made $13.50 total. Not a lot. But Etsy felt like the easiest win compared to the other side hustles. Final thoughts. At the end of 30 days, here's what I learned. None of these side hustles will make you rich overnight. Every income stream takes work upfront before it feels passive. And the biggest mistake? Giving up too early. If I had to keep only one side hustle, I'd pick freelancing for fast cash and Etsy for long-term passive sales. Everything else needs more time to grow. Thank you all for watching. If this helped you figure out where to start, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep building your financially smart mind together. Drop a comment below. Which side hustle would you try first?